David Wilson, ladies and gentlemen. Good day. We still continue from where we stopped. Now you see, we're trying to design just one logo. You see how long it's taking. Now it would have been easier. Even I'm just doing it now talking. Like I tell you, don't rush it. Calm down so I don't make mistake. Because when you are done with it, you're done with it. Do you understand? And like I said, those images are going to speak. Anyone that sees it, if what you put in it, the perfection you put in it, is going to speak. Now we still have a lot of things to adjust here. Now look at that. We can still you see this Progress Beauty Salon. We've not really done anything with it. You can actually add something to that place to make it a little bit so it doesn't look that lame. It's just there. It's not so you have to make it look appealing. So let's look for something that we can put there, or how we can actually beautify that. We'll try, just like I said, we'll try some things. Anyone that works, then it's cool. All right, let's look for something here. Let's see if we can crop something out here. Let's see if we can crop something out here. Okay. All right. Let's give this a try. Let's give this a try. Let's see how this will look. All right. Let's see how this will look. Then we okay it. No, that's not what I meant. So not this. Come on now. So the next thing we need to do here. See all these things, they are still scanty, they are not together yet. Later you're going to align all of them, you make all of them, you merge all of them together. But now you leave it like this, don't merge it, so you'll be able to move it individually and make your correction. So we go to what? Erase color. Then we take black completely out of it. Because black is what it's okay. We now increase tolerance. So that's okay. Alright, we've done that. Then I'm trying to make sure that what's it called? Progress Salon can fit into it. Let's see if it can. It's not fitting into it. So let's see what we can do about this Progress Salon. Let's see if we can reduce the size of that Progress Salon. Okay. I think that's cool. Okay. Alright. So let's see what we can do again with that. So let's check that out. Maybe now it will fit into it. Okay. Does it fit into it? Or is it really beautiful? I think it doesn't look beautiful. You can still cancel that and go and check again. Let me go and bring something first. Let me pause it. Then when I bring something here, I continue. Okay, I've always cropped out each images that have black background, but this time around is white. It's white. So we go to erase color. The default erase color pattern is white. When I enable, automatically that white leaves. Are you seeing what happened? The white leaves automatically. And the reason is because the background is white. So because there are still something at this edge, are you seeing that looks like gray white? So we okay it. Let's see what we can do about that one. Okay, you see that it's getting a little better. Then we add to it again. 2. Okay. Let's see if it's leaving a little bit, but it's not like it should be. It can be better than this. So let's add to it. You just be, No. Okay. Just keep doing this. Then add to that color. Let's see. Before you keep doing this, there's no way it will get purified at a point. You just keep clicking on those things. Then we add more color. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, it's actually getting purified, but not as purified like it should be. We add another color. Okay, wait. Let's do it like this. I think it can be okay. So now let's now increase the tolerance. Okay, that can still pass for it. So we put it. Doesn't make any sense. Let's remove first. Doesn't make any sense. You see what is just happening here? Okay, I crafted this out again. Let's give this a try. Like I said, you keep trying. That's why you need to have a lot of images that you must have, a lot of images on your phone that you must have downloaded out. Include tolerance. Okay. And let me try this one here. The tolerance are totally make us lose the image. You reduce it. That tolerance can make you lose the image, so you can reduce it. So let's leave this like this. Let's say I want this like this. Okay. So basically this is what we have done. Let's bring this one a little, so it won't look too far from it. Okay. Let's see now. Let's now do something. This what was it called? You can bring it apart so for you to be able to do whatever you want to do with that test. So that test now, let's now go and add font. Let's change the font. Yeah. All right, let's change the font of that test. Now you have to make the test beautiful. Let me look for something a little bit more fancy. Progress Beauty Salon. See what I'm doing? I'm trying to check another. Let me see if I can use something else. This one is good. Let me see the way it looks. Progress Beauty Salon. Okay. Because I've changed the font now, you have to now work on the, what's it called? I hope you understand what I'm talking about here. Then we'll work on the type, the size, the size. So once to make it a little more beautiful, you can add texture. You know what that is now. You can decide to add texture. Let me look for the color that I think will make sense. Let me go to that texture. Let me just crop something out here. I think we've gone through this process before, so you should understand what I'm doing here. So we look for any color that we love. Since we are still dealing with gold, let's just use gold. Look for any golden, nice gold color. Do you understand? Ready for this. This one is not shining, but I need a gold that is shining. That is shining very well. Let's use this one. So just crop particular place out of it. Just crop particular place out of it. Are you seeing it now? Let's use this. You see now, right? Isn't that beautiful? That seems beautiful, right? And let's give it a 3D logo. Let's a 3D effect. Let's see how it's going to be like. We enable it. Then do a Y rotation. Okay, now before we do this, let's go and pad it first. That padding will make the 3D logo capture everything. Okay, let's do the first one. Let's now go to the 3D logo now. 3D text rather. Okay, let's do it like this. Then a little bit. You just be watching it as you are doing it. As you are doing it, you be watching it. You understand? That's how it's done. So you will know if let's make it a little bit darker. The depth a little bit darker. You can change the color of the depth here. Just click on color, any color that you want. I think the color that it has is cool. That color is cool. Alright, it's okay like that. Let's do it like this. Then let's see if we can give this logo, the logo itself, a 3D effect. At times when you try to apply a 3D effect, it just destabilizes everything. It's not all logo that you can apply 3D effect. Let's see what is given to you. Let's see if we can make use of it. So are you seeing it now? Are you seeing it? You want it that way? So let's see when we increase how it will look like. See the way it's looking like now, right? This light, if you want to, these are just just brighten it or dim it a little bit. You position the light in another different pattern. That's what it does. That's what it does. So let's reduce the depth a little bit. Let's see, we've done this like this. If you notice, you see that the call icon is not positioned the way it should position very well. You can go and adjust it. There's that 3D stuff, 3D shape, okay? It's like it's bending too much. So just to make it at least fit a little bit. Let's do it that way. So let's bring this out to where it should be, which is under here. Alright, let's do it that way. And let's bring this. So we're still going to align everything. So since it's not going very well, so we need an arrow to work with it. Okay, let's do this one like that. Then we adjust the distance. We take the word up. You see how long it's taking. Just imagine how long only this one is taking. So it takes time. You will give it time. You don't just rush it through. That's why I cannot put everything. I cannot compress everything in one video. You can. There's no MB for that. This one I'm doing now, there are hundreds of MB just to upload only this one. Yeah, I'm uploading to video and it's a live video. It's not a video that I did somewhere, copy somewhere. I'm just doing it now, as you can see. It's a live video. Okay. So let's take this one to up. Okay. So it's cool like this, right? Okay, let us use our logo. It's cool like this, but there's still something missing. We are not done yet. Now let's add something in a caption. Okay, there's something like it pays to look good. It pays. Can you imagine? It pays to look good. It pays to look good. Okay, let's assume this is what we want to write. I get me now. So we okay it. Bring it down. Understand? This one will just go straight to font. This one is going to be in style. Do you understand? You have to do this one in style. Just the last caption that you're going to put there. Should we do this? Okay, let's do that. Like it pays to look good. Then we increase that text to make it a little bigger. Are you seeing it now? So let's put it where it should be. Let's put it where it should be. Okay, let's put it where it should be. And let's give it a 3D effect also, so it doesn't look different. We enable, then you position the Y the way it should be. You see what we've done. Then you darken that, what's it called? You darken the depth, so it doesn't look too glary. Go to that shadow. Paste to look good. And let's now change the color. You can change the color. You can go and crop the color if you want, but it's not a big deal. Let's give it a very, let's can do this. Let's check how it looks like. Okay, it's like it's beautiful, you see. So let's do it like that. So let's do it like this. All right, next thing we can do is that you see that background, the way it's long, it's not really. So let me go to, you can still change the background though, because I'm not actually concluded everything. I can use the same background, but I'll use another size of the same background. I'll just adjust it. So let me go, let me see if I can still remember that background. I'll get it here. I'm trying to see if I can conclude this on this segment because of the time that it is accumulating already. So let's go further. Let's search. You can change different background to see how beautiful it can be. Do you understand? This was the background we use, yes. So you can you can change it to this. Are you seeing it now? You can change it to this. Whereas like this one is the biggest. You can change it to this. Let's see how it will look.